In this lesson, you are going to learn how to write a good, informative paragraph. Specifically, you're expected to identify the important parts of a paragraph, describe the topic sentence, explain the role or roles of the supporting details in the paragraph, describe the concluding statement of the paragraph, and write your own paragraph with a topic sentence, supporting details, additional information, and a concluding statement. Please remember that a good paragraph concentrates on one or a single topic with the following parts. First, topic sentence, supporting details, additional information, or it can be an explanation or example to your supporting details, and a concluding statement. Let's begin with a topic sentence. What is a topic sentence? A topic sentence tells readers what the rest of the paragraph is about, or it is the main idea of the paragraph. A topic sentence, please take note, must have a topic and a controlling idea. The controlling idea shows the direction of the paragraph will take. In formal writing, the topic sentence is usually found in the first sentence of the paragraph. In this paragraph, what do you think is our topic sentence? The topic sentence is, "The dolphin may look like a fish, but this fascinating sea creature is really a mammal." Earlier, we learned that a topic sentence must have a topic and a controlling idea. So now, what do you think are the topic and the controlling idea of this topic sentence? So we have the dolphin as our topic and may look like a fish, but this fascinating sea creature is really a mammal. This will be our controlling idea. And remember once again that the controlling idea shows the direction the paragraph will take. So we will find out later whether our next sentences are going to support what the topic or the controlling idea is telling us. Okay? Also, a good informative paragraph has supporting details. What is or are the role or roles of the supporting details in the paragraph? The supporting details support the topic sentence or provide additional information that explains, defines, or proves the controlling idea in your topic sentence. Please take note on the following keywords like explain, define, or prove the controlling idea in your topic sentence. The supporting details follow right after the topic sentence. So it is giving us an idea, a clue, or a hint where the supporting details are found in the paragraph. In this paragraph, what do you think are the supporting details? In this paragraph, we have three supporting details that support our topic sentence. The first supporting detail is, first of all, dolphins have lungs just like humans do. Do you think this supporting detail really support our topic sentence? Yes, I think so. Because if you notice in our first supporting detail, it tells us that dolphins have lungs too, or just like humans do. And remember that humans are also mammals. And we talk about mammal in our topic sentence. So, the first supporting detail is really a supporting detail that supports our topic sentence. And our second supporting detail is second, like other mammals, dolphins are also warm-blooded. Okay, so in our second supporting detail, it tells us a characteristic of a mammal that the dolphins have, and that is dolphins are also warm-blooded. Okay, like other mammals. So that still supports our topic sentence, which says this fascinating sea creature is really a mammal. How about the third supporting detail? Finally, dolphin females nurse their young on milk. Do you think this one is a supporting detail to our topic sentence? Yes, indeed. Why do we need to add additional information in the paragraph? It is significant to add additional information in your paragraph because through this, you have a chance to explain, give more examples or factual information, and cite more pieces of evidence to your supporting details. Thus, your additional information can strengthen or make your paragraph stronger. In this example, what do you think are the additional pieces of information added to this paragraph? In our first supporting detail, it is followed with, they must come to the surface of the water to breathe and get oxygen from the air. Fish can take oxygen from the water. This statement or sentence tells us more on how dolphins can use their lungs to breathe. So this explains or give us further details about how dolphins can use their lungs. And in our second supporting detail, it is also supported with, or it is also given with additional information. It says, dolphins stay warm because they have a thick layer of blubber under their skin. So this statement tells us or explain why dolphins are also warm-blooded. Okay? And in our third and last supporting detail, we have that is just like how a cow might nurse a calf. So we are given an example of how a mammal like dolphin and like cow nurse their young. Okay, so this statement is giving us an instance of how a mammal or mammals like dolphin and cow nurse their young. Okay, therefore, all these additional pieces of information are relevant to support the paragraph. As I said earlier, your additional information can strengthen or make your paragraph stronger. And if we are to compare this paragraph to the previous paragraph we had earlier, this one really makes a difference. Okay? So in writing an essay or informative essay or paragraph, the more additional pieces of information you can provide, the stronger your paragraph or essay is. Please remember that. If you notice, in this paragraph, we also use transitional words or devices in presenting our supporting details. For example, we have first of all, second, and finally. Please remember that in writing an informative essay or informative paragraph, it is important also to use transitional words or devices because they are used to show logical sequence of events in your paragraph or essay. They are also used to show your reader the relationship between phrases, sentences, or even paragraphs. And with the use of transitional words, it is easier for your readers to understand how your thoughts and ideas are connected. Hence, using transitional words or devices are highly significant. In writing an informative paragraph or essay, you may use some of these transitional words, especially if you want to add an idea, illustrate or explain, compare or contrast, emphasize, summarize, or show a conclusion. You may use some of these transitional words. And finally, a good, informative paragraph has a concluding statement too. Not just the topic sentence, not just the supporting details or additional information. We also have a concluding statement, and this is equally important to the previous parts. And what is a concluding statement, by the way? A concluding statement or sentence indicates that you are bringing closure to a paragraph. It means you're about to end your paragraph. A concluding sentence or statement should either remind the reader of the topic, repeat keywords from the topic sentence, or help the reader remember the topic. And please take note that a concluding statement should not introduce a new topic. In this paragraph, what do you think is our concluding statement? Clearly, our concluding statement here is, thus, the dolphin's streamlined body and its big, strong tail resemble a fish, but don't be fooled. Dolphins are definitely mammals. Do you think this concluding statement remind the reader of the topic? Or repeat keywords from the topic sentence? Or help the reader remember the topic? Yes, indeed. Yes, definitely. This concluding statement answers all those three questions. It reminds the reader of the topic. It repeats keywords. Keyword like mammals. The word like mammal is in the topic sentence. It is also repeated in our concluding statement. And for sure, this helps the reader or readers remember the topic. Okay, let's try to analyze this. Which one is a good paragraph? What do you think? Looking at the topic sentence, my father is a busy person. Both paragraphs have the same topic sentence, but which do you think is the one that we can consider a good paragraph? The good paragraph here is, I would say, the first paragraph. Because if you notice, the rest of the sentences, like, in fact, he works 12 hours every day, he goes to work early in the morning and comes home late at night, most of the time he works on Saturdays. All these sentences support our topic sentence, which is, my father is a busy person. These can all support why my father is a busy person. Unlike in our next paragraph, my father is a busy person. My sister loves to play guitar with me. Looking at the second sentence, this one has not something to do with why my father is a busy person. So this is already another topic that we can write. And my family loves to eat in the restaurant. This is another topic too, or topic sentence. And both of these have not something to do with my father is a busy person. That is why the first paragraph is or can be considered a good paragraph if we are to compare the two. And I believe you are now ready to write your own paragraph. Let's go! I know you can do it.